Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool module part #AR141BA. The Whirlpool AR141BA module is a part of the Whirlpool brand of water heaters. It is a control module that is used to regulate the temperature and other settings of the water heater. The module is designed to be installed in the top of the water heater and can be used with both electric and gas models. The module has a digital display that allows users to easily adjust the temperature, set timers, and view diagnostic information. It also includes safety features, such as an overheat protection system and a low water cutoff switch. The module also has This part fixes the following symptoms. The Whirlpool module part #AR141BA is designed to replace the electronic control board in certain Whirlpool dishwashers. It can help to fix issues such as the dishwasher not starting, not draining, not filling, or not responding to button presses. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the water heater at the circuit breaker. 2. Disconnect the power wires from the existing water heater control module. 3. Remove the existing control module from the water heater by unscrewing it from its mounting bracket. 4. Install the new Whirlpool module part #AR141BA in place of the old one, making sure to secure it tightly with screws or bolts as necessary. 5. Connect the power wires to their respective terminals on the new control module, making sure that all connections are secure and free of corrosion or debris. 6. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.